Welcome to today's product spotlight, where we're diving into the exceptional WypAll Power Clean X70 medium-duty cloths. These durable and absorbent cloths are designed to stay strong, ensuring top-notch cleaning performance for all your industrial needs. Each cloth measures 8.34 by 16.8 inches, making them perfect for tackling oil, dirt, grime, and solvents with ease. Thanks to the innovative HydroKnit technology, these cloths boast incredible wicking power, picking up water almost instantly and minimizing drips, outperforming traditional laundered shop rags. In fact, pound for pound, they hold more oil than rental shop towels and shop rags, making them an efficient and reliable choice. Each case includes 10 convenient pop-up boxes, with 100 sheets per box, totaling an impressive 1,000 sheets per case. With just one pop-up box replacing 10 pounds of rags, the WypAll Power Clean X70 cloths are a game-changer for any cleaning task. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.